guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching
Diya's
Vlog TV. Finally, our family has decided to go on a small vacation. We are right now on the way to Amboli. Right now, we have actually we started our trip at around 7 o'clock in the morning, and now it is around 8:54. So we have reached Sindhudurg right now. We will be reaching Amboli and then our fun trip starts. So without a further ado, let's get started. Hi Mona.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Shawata?
आम्ही आंबोली वयता.
Yay! How are you, ma'am? Oh, good. That's.
Hi.
Hi, this is the very lovely couple. Lovely butterfly. तकली शिंगा येतल्या. Our first stop for today is the KSR Global Aquarium. We've reached here. और अभी बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. इमू
एका किती म्हणता इमू करेक्ट इमू हाय इमू हाउ आर यू
दृष्टी पडणे किती दिता दिसता.
वैसे I hate reptiles, but this is too cool. Gecko कसा कार्टूनातलो. थके हुए चेहरे मासी और आपके सामने थके हुए चेहरे. हेलो हाय.
और ये हमारा ओम है
का बहुत थका हुआ चेहरा है, इसलिए आपको थोड़ा पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के लिए आ गए हम. क्या हो गया आपका?
मुझे कुछ थे आई एम जस्ट मिसिंग माय हॉबी
अरे मिस्टर हबी इज इन विच प्लेस नाउ?
सही बाग
आमकां सही बाग म्हणल्यार झारखंड. कसली ड्युटी ती? This is our stay for the 2 days that we are here. We had so much fun at the aquarium. And now we have come to our stay. So let me just give you a room tour. It's like a very small, like one room for me, my mom, dad, and Om. And we have Sanj baby here. Sanj madam giving us room tour of our room.
Hi guys, see the room. See the must beautiful bed. I love this bed. It is very beautiful.
We have very
Wait, balconies. They come, let's see.
We have a mirror and a washroom
Guys, come,
and a
let's see.
very very beautiful balcony.
Balcony.
Wow! Hello. So now we have changed and got dressed into some traditional attire because now we're going to have lunch and then we're going to go to a temple. It's a very famous temple, but most of the time I've been here when it is a very like rainy season weather. So Konkan is very pretty in summer too, and I can say it. Just see the sky, it's just so pretty. It just makes me look pretty too. Hello.
हॅलो
आम्ही बरी जेवून आता
खूप जेवल्या
बरी जेवली
बरी जेवली
कोकण
बेस्ट
कोकणाचे.
नार्वेकर म्हणून एक रेस्टॉरंट असा सामकें घरगुती जेवण सामकें
खंय ते एक्झॅक्ट खंय
एक्झॅक्टली सारकें आंबोली आयले म्हणटकीर नार्वेकर खाणावळ बेस्ट रिजनेबल
खरें.
रेट्स आनी तूं केन्नाय येयात जेवपाक यू लव इट कित्याक दियाक आवडलें म्हणटकूच
एक्झॅक्टली
सगळीं एन्जॉय द फूड आनी आतां
Really?
आमी आमचे मस्त हिरण्यकशी देवळान वतात
हिरण्यकेशी म्हणल्यार खंय ते पडटा एक्झॅक्टली
आंबोलीन तशेंच आंबोली अरावंड
मातशें डीप इनसायड.
हय मातशें इंटरनल म्हाका आतां एक्झॅक्टली तेंचें लोकेशन
आतां आमी तांकां दाखोवया न्ही हिरण्यकेशी कशें दिसता तें.
कशें दिसता तें दाखोवया
एक्चुअली आमी आज समज सामके पावसाच्या दिसांनी आयलेले आनी बरे भशेन दाखोवपाक मेळटलें हिरण्यकेशी कशें दिसता
हांगा
तें.
सगळें उदक 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 गशींग वॉटर
Gushing water. अशें मुवीचो सीन कसो दिसता न्ही तो हांगा येतकच मागीर
बेस्ट
अशें सगळें ग्रीन ग्रीन ग्रास बीन म्हणून. तुमी केन्नाय येवपाक जाय हिरण्यकेशी.
सगळ्यांनी येवन
निके आवय आवय इज द कॅरेक्टर ऑफ माय मदर इन आवर नाटक.
तुमी कित्याक खाता ती
ही जांभळा न्ही
हा
एका भेळसा म्हणटा भेळ.
हा बेळसा हेका पयलीं खबर ना
ना रे जांभळा दे रे
हांगा जांभळ अशीच जाता
ना ही भेळ.
ती
अरे एक दाखय तरी
बेळसा म्हणटा पळय मारुती गाडान आमी खावपाक वयताले तेची झाडां ल्हान ल्हान
ना
So this is the beautiful Hiranyakeshi temple in Amboli, and you can see it not so flooded right now. You can see the floor, but when it is like high peak rainy season, you cannot see the floor at all. It is fully, even like this tree, whatever step you can see here that I'm pointing out, it is completely flooded with water, and this temple becomes like a big swimming pool, and you can enjoy so much here. Baby. Stand. So you have seen the whole place now. And now cave. Hello Matoshri. Matoshri is lost.
5 rupees ज़्यादा गया 6
See, we look so pretty, no? No? We all look so pretty, no? See that anda face. Not anda face, a very beautiful face.
नाटकी नंबर
मातोश्री काय काय
ते नियम बरेला ते वाचताले आशिष साहेब आता साईडला मी ते वाचते कुठल्याही
Savage mom. The temple visit is done. I don't know what plans my parents have, so let's go with the flow. Yay! आम्ही किती केला रे आत्ता उदकान किती केला आम्ही मज्जा केली.
कान पाय घातली मज्जा केली
Woo! What? So now we are back to our resort place, and the area around here is very hilly and nice. So me and my dearest Mauso standing behind me we have decided to go on a little hike, and I'm very excited. So let's see what we see on our hike. Yay! झाला काय ते का जांभूळ पिकला झाडाखाली.
बुयार मारला बोल
किरे
या सोलाचे
ओ खरे
कळलं मग जागो केलं नाही राहुल ना ते
कोण
ते केलं ना खूप कडे असतले
कोण
असवाला
बेर बेर येते बेराचे घर.
ए पळय दिसता ए पळय मुगो दोग जाण
हा म्हणला ती वाघीण जिने पेट दिला. हा ओके फिमेल ॲनिमल अटॅक करपा येता.
अटॅक करता जर तिने मतलब भुरगी जर एक जाला काढला जाल्यार अटॅक करतली आणि हे भरपूर जाला हांगा केसी
कितें तें
अटॅक
हा
हा चड हांवें पासून पयला अटॅक केल्लो मनीस अटॅक करतना पयलो ना
हा
बर्ड
येते मी बसला फातराचेर.
हय मुगो अटॅक जावन मुगो आमगे आई बी तेन्ना हें हाडपा गेल्ली लाकडान गेल्ली
हा
पयलीं हांगा हें ना न्हू गॅस सिलिंडर कसली काय ना इवन गाडी पासून नाशिल्ल्यो गेल्ली ते ग्रुपान वचप लाकडान ती गेल्ली आनी ती कशी वयर आशिल्ली आतां हे अरद आंबोली कशें आहा
हा येयलो रे बाबा तुगेलो.
कोण
खंय तें
अरद आंबोली कशें आहा
हय
आनी थंयच्यान ते सगळे तांकां वयल्यान ते सकयल्ले दिश्टी पडटाले.
हा
तो मुगो हे मशीन घेवन गेल्लो
हा
मशीन घेवन ताचे पेटे आशिल्ले तीग जाण ते हेजे अस्वलाचे तेणे डायरेक्ट अटॅक केलो. अटॅक केलो पळय ते सगळे काडलेले ते गेले
वाघान
वागान न्हू अस्वल
हा
सोल म्हणलं कितें
बेर बाबा बेर असोल म्हळ्यार बेर.
खंय वयता थंय हा कांयसो ना बेगीन तो बंद
हांगा
हम है अफ्रीका में
येणी कसली पानां रे सॉलिड. बरें दिसता न्ही तें बर्ड पिंक चोचीचें कशें. पयलें पाखरून गेलोच हेका कळकळ सुद्दां ना. रूह में तेरी आँखों में. If you can see this path, it is actually a path for the river, but since it is like it has been the summer season, the river has been fully dried up. Only some patches in this, like this part, have some water, not much. Guys, an update, the whole family has joined us for this amazing trek. Now we are going to the sunset point, and our sun has already set over here. नाही गो बाय, माझे बरे बाय गोते, माझे बरे बाय गोते. तोंड लिपो नका गो तोंड. लेट्स गो टू सनसेट पॉइंट. ये आसपासारखे किती असं सनसेट सन
get to see
ओके सनसेट देखेंगे. इतने अच्छी त्वचा लेके, बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इधर, पर ये सूरज के किरणों की वजह से बहुत ही अच्छा निखार आ रहा है. तो अब हम दिखाएंगे कि ये व्यू क्या है जिसने मेरे मुंह के ऊपर इतना अच्छा व्यू दिया है.
So guys, let's come just see green snake.
Green snake. Our Sanj madam has got a big news for us that there is a haryali, that is that green color chota sa snake somewhere. Where is it?
Over there.
Oh no, we missed it. You think I am very crazy, but you should see my family. They have come to a sunset point and they are doing this. See my father. My father is great. He teaches me good things. Woo!
I'm in the sky.
Papa is in the sky. I believe I can fly, Wood. Wood. I believe I can fly, man.
I believe I can fly.
See this view. Just see this view.
Yeah.
Can you see the lining of all the hills that are there? We are like on the top of a hill right now.
काय धावपाच आहे ना.
पण परत म्हण किती म्हणताल तू आता.
अगर तुमने मुझसे दोबारा शादी नहीं की तो मैं
तुम्हारी जान लूंगी. म्हण गा
मैं तीसरी बार शादी करूंगी.
मम्मी किती घेऊन
दूसरे से शादी कर लूंगी.
नहीं शीतल ऐसा मत करो. मैं आ रहा हूँ.
We are a bunch of crazy people. म्हण ग
मिस्टर म्हटलेलं आहे
म्हण ग तू.
शत्रुघ्न, अगर तुमने मुझसे शादी नहीं की तो मैं यहाँ से जान दे दूंगी.
यहाँ से जान दोगी तो इधर ही गिर जाओगी. इससे अच्छा इधर खड़े रहो. इधर
वहाँ से जान नहीं देना है मुझे. लोग कहते हैं कि अगर गिर गई तो हाथ पैर टूट जाएंगे. मैं यहीं पे मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं यहीं से जान दे दूंगी. मुझे काट करू ना रे भाषा.
ताकि मरने के बाद मेरे हाथ पैर सलामत रहे.
मासी मावसो मीनवाइल अनबॉदर्ड.
तो फक्त फोटोग्राफी करून पाहिजे. माझं आहे बायचा व्हिडिओ केलो. आमच्या पहिली मार आहे दोघांचं माझं.
यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और मेरा भाई गेम खेल रहा है. इमेजिन बंदर की तरह बैठ के लड़का गेम खेल रहा है. ये कोई बात हुई नवे बेबी? ये कोई बात हुई? नहीं ना.
नहीं.
हम मजा कर रहे हैं ना.
दीदी देखो.
क्या दिखा रही हो? वाह तुमने क्लिक किया. वाह पप्पा पप्पा यो. Back into our room, we've changed into fresh clothes and now we are playing cards outside and having so much fun.
एक इकलौता था चला गया. उडी 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 जा.
एक व्हिडिओ होते छान. मी पापाकडे सोने घेऊन येतो.
तांबडे ते कसे.
अरे मागं जाय नी बाबा.
या वाट पळत असता. मासी त्याला बंद जातलेला आपण गेलो.
नो ओळलो सांग.
नो ओळलो.
मागेलो.
वड वड टू बाय वड. आणि नारळ सगळे ग्राना सगळे.
सोनू ऐक पाहिजे ना सगळं.
ते कॅन्सल.
असा मग
कुल्लू म्हणाली.
हा जागा झाले. त्याच हातीन ते एकटा कधी
क्वीन बाबू मला
ना किंग.
नाही मला
सगळी नमकी लिपयतात काढा. बाबून गेल रे.
माई माई आहे ना.
माई माई
माई आई.
Hi guys, good morning. have woken up very late because it was a very tiring day yesterday. And now we are going to have breakfast. And I don't know what we are going to do the whole day today. But I know it is going to be fun. So let's get started. So to tell you one more very important thing about where we are staying at Aranya Amboli. This is a very beautiful place. It is situated on a hill, so like the whole surrounding is like we are on a hill and we can see the other hills, and these are our cottages. We are just chilling here. Like there are two like cottages, 2 rooms and one just chilling area. The whole family is sitting over here. So Aranya Amboli is exactly situated in Sokul here. And so from here you can come up, and here is the reception of the place we are staying at. Hello. So now we have changed into beautiful clothes. Everybody has come. So we have first come to this beautiful place called Mahadevgarh. You know, Amboli is just so pretty. Always having these pretty skies. Now let's see what Mahadevgarh has to show us. We have all come here. It is like around 1 o'clock right now, but it is not as sunny as we expected. Just like the clouds come and go, so it's like a good weather. We are having so much fun. Hi baby.
पण आम्ही लास्ट टाइम इले याच्याहून खूप बरं आलं नी रे हे आता खडबडीत चला ग
Masi. Oh Masi.
Come, have a look.
पावसान गर्दी रे हांगा
Oh wow. किती पक्षी आशिल्लो किती?
तो उठता आशिल्लो
असं वता आशिल्लो. I get all my traits from this person. Papa giving me all the footage I need. Such a pretty view.
किती गो टाइमर अरे ओय पोय मरे तो फोटो हां ते पोय
Mother India is very tired, but she's very happy also because she could click many pictures with her very dear husband who does not care about pictures. This is the place that we ended up having lunch. It is just too good. Yesterday also we had lunch at the same place, and the mutton thali here is just to die for. तुम्ही
आम्ही ना करता असणार
केवढी छान करवंद आहे. Now after having lunch, Papa decided to buy this. This is called kanna or karvanda. Karvanda, I don't know. Please comment. And also let me know what is the English name for it, because I don't know. I have no clue. It is called kanna or kanta. So if you have tried this, let me know. And this is my favorite thing, by the way. Whenever the summer season comes, I wait for this to come out for sale. It's just the best thing in the world. I think nothing can beat kanna. If you agree, please let me know. Azoba, please tell us, how did you feel about the mutton thali?
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
Oh yeah.
Too good. And this is also amazing. Ice cream खातलो.
जे मॅट ते खावपाचे आता खाला कोण खाता
किती
जे मॅट ते खावपाचे
आमची मज्जाच मजा झाली आज.
मजाच मजा
ये है मेरे मामा का घर जिधर उनका गणेश चतुर्थी होता है चौकोर में. बेबी हांव तुजो ग्राउंड खेळपाचो सदा हांगा खेळटा तू. हे ओम टी शर्ट सारखे कर पळय पळय.
निवळ बीन करता तुम्ही
मुद्दाम म्हणजे हाय सांज. हाय. सुंदर हे गाव. सुंदरशी मासी. This is the place Sarva comes for Ganesh Chaturthi with his whole family, like the whole, like it's a joint family, so people from their family members from Mumbai and all, they come here and then they all together celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi.
गणपती सगळे
दीदी
कातोसो दिसतो
दीदी.
ते गणपती.
दीदी
दीदी ते कातोसो दिसना सिमेंटा भाषेनं
दीदी
गणपती बुडयल्ले.
दीदी हांगा विसर्जन करता.
जाणा सांगले म्हाका पप्पान आतां.
ते पळय 4 1 2 3 4 5 सो हा
प्यारे खातले प्यारो आतां मेळटली. ही पळय हॅलो प्यारे ती
पळ काडली पेर काडपा पळ काडली.
पूण हे अशें म्हाका पळोवना हे गणेश.
आजोबा my papa chilling and these people have gone to take some guava. If you can see guava is the peru. Guavas. I will definitely try to come to Chaukur in when it is time for Ganesh Chaturthi. So as you can see the beauty of this place. If you have not been to Chaukur, please do come because it is just very pretty. If you come, if you can't come in the rainy season, even the summer season is a good time to come because the beauty of the place, it's just phenomenal. But if you can come in the monsoon season, it would be more better because that time this place is like the most beautiful forest. There are a lot of students who come here to Chaukur because there is a variety of species of herbs and microscopic animals or microscopic plants. So to do research and all on a very high level as botany students, students do come here to explore this. So today's activities are done and we are back to back to our cottages and we've changed the cottage that we are staying. Actually this constant flow of very nice cool air, so we will take the air as much as we can because when we go back to Goa I know for sure it will be very hot. So we are enjoying our time here, taking the breeze and cooling our minds and having so much fun here. So we will just be chilling for today's evening and then night, and tomorrow morning we'll be leaving to go back to Goa.
झालं जोक झाला ना.
ए दी सारखं सांगा.
चल वाट गो दिया वाट पा
पहिली खूप सांगताले मरे तुझी जोक्स.
प्रभुनाथ हे प्रभु
सोड दिया.
ए हरि राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद.
तुम्ही हे
क्या हुआ?
काम किती जा घेतला तर
तुम्ही उद्या खेळावर आता आम्ही
सुटलं ते घेतलं एवढं सुटलं ते सुटलं.
तो मग खेळता आलं चालू का
हा तो बोलला नी
तुझी
शो मारतालो सुटलो
पान भेट मारला आता कितने जण बोलल्या एक दोन
मारला
तीन, चार, दोन.
खुशी मिल गई तेरे होठों पे है
ए माका
मोहब्बत मुझे मिल गई ये हंसी वादियाँ खुला आ गए हम
ठंड को सामना करते हुए
साजना हारों में दिल की लटों को सुलझाए तू अपनी उंगलियों से
मगर
क्या बात है
मेरा न एतबार करो
बरे बरे असा
मेरा न एतबार करो मैं नशे में हूँ
बरे बरे
क्यों ये मेरा
शोर करे इधर नहीं उधर नहीं तेरी और चले
Good morning, everybody. It is the next day, and it is the day we are leaving from the cottage. We are leaving from Amboli. It's a happy, sad feeling because we had so much fun the 2 days. We are going to miss the breeze, and we are going to miss the amazing view and the trekking and everything. But I will try to somehow I will convince all of these people to come back in the rainy season, because in the rainy season this place looks phenomenal. So now we are going to have breakfast and then we'll leave to go back to Goa.
स्पीड येतं ते येतं ना
एकदा सगळी आरण्य आंबोली म्हणा पया. So this video was one of the longest videos that I have made, and you stayed until the end of this video, so I'm just so grateful to you all. Thank you so much for all the love that you always show, and to show more love, just like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment the best part that you felt of this video. Until then, bye.
like, share and subscribe.